Hey YouTube, welcome back and thanks for watching. Today we're going to start cutting the boards to get the old Brady Transom back into shape. Stay tuned. Welcome to my life. Alright, today we're going to try to cut out the transom. My wife traced my cardboard template there onto a 3/4 inch sheet of wood, which is right here. And basically we're going to have the whole side going in here, the bottom, and then a piece. And then we'll take this piece, put it on there, trace the rest of it out. So on the first piece, we'll have this end won't be a full piece because it's too long for it. So we'll add that piece on there. On the next one, we'll do the opposite end. And on the last one, we'll probably do it in threes. Just depends on how it comes out. All right, let's get cutting. I'm not 100% sure what's going on here. We'll have to see. So your side, the top is going to be, there's a piece up in there, so the top may not fit directly. So put the bottom in first. Oh yeah, this kind of got to go this way. It's got to slide up in here. Huh?
I don't know what I'm doing.
GoPro's out of the way. Well, so that one just sits that side, will just fit.
No, this is
Okay.
That's.
Oh yeah, it's got to tuck too, so I'm going to have to cut it in half, aren't I? Or maybe I can put the little piece in first, or out first, and then put that in.
Yeah, the little piece has got to come out.
And that'll be the enough room. They cut theirs in the middle, and but either way, yeah, now slide it up in here. Push your way.
Try not to snatch the thing.
Yeah, so the top's gonna have to be cut. Huh? Yeah.
Let me hold this and see if you can angle it in.
Well, I think it's hitting the top here. And that top's solid wood, so I just need that line I was wondering about that, you know. If I put this piece in, will you be able to figure out where the other piece goes?
Nope.
Yeah, this one's definitely not going to work. We'll have to cut that. All right, so we did a lot of work. Probably not going to record the other ones as much in detail, but we got our fit in there pretty good. So that's the first piece. We'll cut the 1/2 inch piece next, and then the other 3/4 inch piece last. The 1/2 inch piece will be we'll use this as a template, and so it should fit right in there. But the last piece will be a smaller, definitely a smaller piece, and the cardboard, the inside cardboard, after we flip the things back, should be perfect for that because it's all measured out, and it's definitely a lot smaller. So once we get that done, that'll allow us to start the fiberglass, and once I get the fiberglass in. But this was a big step to get this knocked out of the way. But it's looking pretty good, I think. All right, so we got the second sheet in, the second sheet 1/2 inch, and then we pressed it, and we realized that we just need another 1/2 inch board, not a 3/4 inch board. A 3/4 inch board won't fit in there. We tried every which way. So we're short one 1/2 inch board, so I'll have to take a 3/4 inch board back to Menards and grab a 1/2 inch board. So there you go, but we got 2 of them done. I just got it shimmed in. These are all just shims, but we did the split on the opposite end of the other side. So the last piece I'll do in thirds, and we'll get in there. But right now I just got to pull it all apart and put this wood in the garage until I go and back up to Louisville. So I guess I'll see what my dad's doing tomorrow and let him ride with me. There you go. You're updated. That's where we're at. Hey YouTube, I'm back. It's been a couple weeks, even though it probably is half a second for you. I've had a couple other projects that I need to get done, and so anyway, so I'm back on the boat. I had to clean her out. There's a bunch of leaves in it because it sits underneath those stupid trees, and I don't have a building yet. but something we'll get past. This morning I've already been working. Didn't want to bore you, but I just shaved this crack down so it'd fit nice and tight, and then I cut a piece of aluminum to fit in there. It'll be flush. It'll be underneath the plywood. This has got to be filled in with resin and silica anyway. So as I fill that in, I have that there holding this already. We'll put a small piece of fiberglass mat, and this is all fiberglass too. And then we'll put the first piece of fiberglass in, and then the boards. But today's task, of course, is to get that last piece of board cut out, and it'll be a 3-piece section hopefully. So it'll be the 2 sides and then a center section, if I can figure out how to do that with that, because I only have 1 sheet left. Yeah, so that's what our plan is. All right, stick around. All right, we got all the pieces cut out. Now we're gonna test fit the whole thing, including the pieces we made the other day. So it's a 3/4 inch sheet and 2 1/2 inch sheets for this boat. And we're just dry fitting to see if it goes together. Y'all help me out and like and subscribe to my channel, Shots Life, on YouTube.